Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today, yes, I am sharing yet another workspace kind of thingy where you can like do everything. Like I'm sharing another platform for Sprout Social, another platform for Tilde, another platform just like them. And why you may ask why, because I am really obsessed with all of those platforms, really, because all of them have something new, something different, something I haven't seen before. So that's why I keep sharing all of those platforms. So obviously this gonna be almost same, but some of the features gonna be different. So let's go through it. So here is our today's platform, that is Cozy. They have named it properly. And same thing where remote teams work and hang out. Like in our last video also, which work workspace that I have, not workspace, with collaborative space that I have showcased, they also claim the same thing, and here they are also claiming the same thing, but that is only for fun. Here they are telling that you can do everything. But on the first place, have you guys seen the setup of this? Like setup of the whole area, or of the whole room space, whatever you may want to call it. You can see a lots of 3D characters are there, like lots of 3D space and lots of 3D isometric elements are there. This is what I really liked about them. Like none of the previous spaces have something like this, but in this case they have really those cute little 3D elements, clay elements basically, that I love so much. And it's for free, and doesn't require any credit card and all. It's totally free, but you have to have an account in order to get into it, like just like Sprout Social. So you have to have account. In Thursday, I think, the last platform that we have showcased, that we I have showcased in the last platform in which I have showcased, that is Thursday. Thursday was basically for fun, that is for basically amusement, leisure time, but this is for everything, work as well as fun. And as you can see, you can move your cursor, move your position through arrow keys. That is another great thing that I liked about this platform, because none of the other platforms have this feature. They usually do the simple things like scrolling the page and all, but here I think they have learned a lot from all of the other platforms where they are lagging. So they have done a perfect thing to integrate the keyboard into the space. In this way, navigation becomes such a easy task, because uh, it always happen. I have gone through all of the other platforms that I have mentioned before. I have gone through them, I have used them personally, and what I have found out, like, there is no specific way. As I am a Figma user or professional apps user, I usually click on space to bring on hand tool, as if there will be a hand tool, but this is what I do wrong every time. But here they actually gave me some kind of a solution by introducing those arrow keys. So obviously it is gonna be helpful. It will take me some time to get used to, but it will get useful. That's what I like about it. And rather than that, basic things, make your own space. As you can see it here, you can create your own space with those 3D characters that I simply love and enjoy, because see how cute is this. And I usually like those type of characters which have those clay texture and this isometric design. I really love those 3D characters. And rather than that, this is also for serious tasks. You can obviously get your work done here also, right? As you can see, they have integrated Miro. Yeah, Miro here. Here you can see 10 plus integration and counting. They will eventually add more, I would think so. So yep, all in all, a great selection of uh, apps and features and everything. And here you can see collaborate using your favorite tools. They have Figma already, then Miro, then Google Slides, Google Sheet, Docs, YouTube. So what else do we need? Totally game changer and perfect, right? And rather than that, here are some of the examples. Like, you can literally create a virtual workspace or virtual workroom. So how great that would be, right? So this all of these are really very fascinating. So I have visited apps similar to this way back when we just got into this lockdown situation way back. Then they have something like this office space, but that was still in development mode, like in beta mode, and that was not quite good as this is way better than anything else. So obviously I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it myself because, as I have already told you, I am making already 4 videos for the same topic. So you may have already know how much I love this type of concept, this kind of concept. So obviously I gonna use it personally for my work purpose or for anything else, maybe for hosting an event or whatever. Like many of you don't even know that I have actually arranged kind of an event on Sprout Social or Sprout Paste, whatever that name was, Sprout, and used it as my stage while sharing my screen in the Google Meet. So yeah, you can get like little bit more innovative with all of those platforms and create great things from them. So yep, I like it a lot. And that's it for this video. That's it for Cozy. I'm gonna use it. Let me know if you are using, like, if you would like to use it or not, and what is your feedback on this. And rather than that, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great apps like this, or some of the other apps, or anything related to design development or entrepreneurship, anything, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.